Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Good morning, Alex. How are you?
Good morning, teacher. I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Let's talk about your history project.
Sure. What do you want to know?
How did you choose your topic?
I chose the civil rights movement. It's fascinating.
It is. What did you find most interesting?
The role of Martin Luther King Jr. His speeches were inspiring.
Absolutely. Did you watch any of his speeches?
Yes, I watched I Have a Dream. It was powerful.
It certainly is. How did you feel about writing the report?
It was challenging but rewarding. I learned a lot.
That's great to hear. Did you find any surprising facts?
Yes, I didn't know about the Children's Crusade. It was eye-opening.
That was a pivotal event. How did you include it in your report?
I wrote a section about it. It showed the bravery of young people.
Very good. How did you organize your report?
I started with an introduction, then key events, and finally, the impact.
Excellent structure. Did you have any difficulties?
Finding reliable sources was tricky, but I managed.
That's important. How did you verify your sources?
I used academic websites and cross-checked information.
Smart approach. Any final thoughts on your project?
I'm proud of it. I feel more knowledgeable now.
You should be proud. You did a great job, Alex.
Thank you, teacher. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Keep up the good work.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.